Alright guys, so today we're just going to see what the Drake card's running. This is my Losi 22S, stock everything basically besides gearing. And I did turn up the timing. I just want to see here what we're going to get. See if my GPS will connect. See if we can first of all just make it straight past. So that was a pretty straight pass there. That was pretty dang decent. Sadly, I can't get the GNS to turn on though. Or not to turn on, but let's get some signals out here where I live. So let's see here. So let's sit a couple minutes and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so it looks like I got the GNS to hook up here. Alright, smash down. Nothing left hard. So let's go ahead and check this timing here, guys. Well, only a 3.1. It's not very good. Let's try that again. Let's see. That one looks like it might have been a little bit better. Here we got here 3.2. That ain't good. Alright, so let's see if we can do this a little bit quicker now. There we go. That should be a way better run. Put that last one better, but I guess not. Still not a better time. What the heck? Let's go like that. So that was full takeoff, guys. It's a little bit too much power for this road. Let's see what we can do here. See what happened there? I hit that center where that dirt is, and it just spun me right out. Let's go drag. Let's see. Let's get some burn. Let's see here. I wonder if I'm just stopping too early, guys. I wonder if that is my issue. They don't really have it marked out here where I'm supposed to stop. That was a lot better. However, I did slow down early. So let's do one more test here. I wasn't even able to full throttle that time, sadly. Oh, that was horrible. Let's go back here. Nice and heat it up. Let's see if we can get this going now. There we go. Nice straight pass. That was a 3.2. That one. Water all nice and hot. So it's down here. Maybe put mattresses on this thing. Let's go. That was a nice pass. That should have been a pretty decent time there. That thing went straight and was going hard. So guys, a lot of this is just about your tires, getting your tires heated up good. Some of that really thing that I really noticed with this. Okay, my battery must be dying because that was not good, but look at that graph. See how straight that thing was. That would be an easy 2.7 pass on a full battery. Let's see what we got. 3.110. Well, a little bit better, I guess, but maybe I need to turn the motor timing down a little bit. Let's see what we can do this time. Ready? She left hard. I think my issue, guys, is I turned my punch down a lot. It was up at like 6 and I turned down to like 3, just to be able to get off the line easier. And I think that's one of the big issues I'm having right now. Just without my punches, she just can't get off the line quick enough. So let's go ahead. Let's do one more. Oh no, the battery's officially dead. And 3.05, we're doing better. There's about my best time of the day, guys, sadly. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe for more drag race videos.